right, today we're launching out of Glorietta Bay. Glorietta Bay is located just south of the Coronado Bridge. There's free trailer parking. There's not a lot of parking, so you have to get there pretty early, but it's free and it stays open pretty late. It has a wash down station, which is one of the few launches in Southern California that actually provides that, which is just pretty cool. And since I was fishing until 1 a.m., it was just a good option. It provides really easy access to the bridge, which is where we wanted to try our luck for round 3 of the Spotty Bowl Tournament. So join me as I meet up with my friends. You could get to experience what it's like to be in this tournament, as well as be on the water when the sun goes down, because the view is incredible. Well, let's go get it. Hey, what's up, bro?
Long time no see, dude. I know, just donated a lot to the water.
Did you really?
Yeah,
What the hell? Why don't you just dive in there and get it?
huh?
It's,
We lost it.
it's only 14 feet. You just dive in there and get it.
I don't know where I lost it.
Did you like tip over?
No, I think when I pulled this up,
Yeah.
it fucking went over.
Oh,
Thanks to weather, when it's next week.
really? All right, if I find it, it's half price. I'm gonna be selling a tranks. Yeah. Up here. Business. You get 13.5 on that one.
That's exciting.
Yep. Double, baby. Double. Double spotty. Double spotty. You know what's better than one spotty? 2 of them. $13.25. Oh, you got a small tail. Ah. $13.75.
Oh. Jeez, crackers.
Yeah, it's 2 of them. Oh, man, it felt like a really good one. I saw only one and I was like, yes, that's it. Can't complain. I got my upgrades. Let's turn this light on. Yep, that's an upgrade for sure. Come on. I'll measure you and I'll let you go, I promise. Relax, 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 relax. Spikes. Yep, that's enough. 13.75.
trying to see if this is an upgrade. 12.75 was the smallest. Then I needed an upgrade. I don't know if this guy beats it. And my light is shining well on me. Is that better? Yeah, this is a 13. Measure and see. $13.25. Spread this back and get some more. Anything smaller than 13.25, we don't keep. Should I get more?
Minutes left. The moment of truth. Once that buzzer goes off, we're done. Set my alarm 5 minutes to give me time to measure, take a picture. I just had a hit and missed it. I need something bigger than 13.75. That's the fish that I'm calling. I didn't catch anything bigger than 13.75 is probably the biggest that I've caught. I was able to get a bunch of fish, but nothing with some real size to it. That's it. 5 minutes to. All right, boys and girls. I think that's it. Take a couple more casts. Maybe we got lucky, but I don't know if you'll be able to see me. I'm sure you can hear me. They're having a great time. All right, we did our best. We worked hard for it. Let's see how we do. The standings. Yeah. This is what you have to do if you don't have a trailer. Drag this 200 pounds up. Back to your car. Whew. A long 7 hours. It's heavier and heavier. Another moment of truth. Let's see if my car starts. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to wait for other anglers to come to give me a jump start. Oh, I started up. Oh, I'm so happy. All right. Time to pack up and go home, boys and girls. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.